The wait is over. Bangalore is getting a major update to its traffic congestion. The most awaited yellow line is here, connecting RV Road to Bommasandra and giving major relief to the city south. It's starting up on August 10th. This new line is set to transform the daily commute for over 5 lakh people. But wait, the Silicon Valley of India needs a smarter upgrade. So we've crafted the exact card Bangalore needs, the Orbit card, powered by RuPay NCMC. You can use this card to hop on the metro, pay at local buses, and even at water ferries and intercity metros like the RRTS. The card is also designed to be used in upcoming projects, like the bullet trains in Mumbai and the ropeways in Varanasi, covering all transit modes for urban mobility. This Orbit card enables users to get up to 10% instant discount during peak hours and 20% during non-peak hours, every single time, across all metros in India. The card also allows you to shop online or offline, giving you 1% cash back on your everyday expenses. This gives you nationwide coverage for major transit systems, covering 6 major metros and 12+ different bus operators nationwide. Celebrating the opening of the Yellow Line in Bangalore, we are giving away the card at a special price of just 149 rupees. Use discount code YELLOWLINE at checkout and get up to 50 rupees instant off on every recharge in your transit wallet. Download Orbit Wallet from the Play Store or App Store today.